This video happened in the Little Italy neighborhood of San Diego, as police officers and sheriff deputies tried to serve an eviction notice to a woman. The video has definitely made its rounds on YouTube, but I want it on my channel, and there might be some people out there that have not seen it yet.
No, get away from me, get away from me.
What do you need? I
got stabbed in the chest.
Okay. Hey,
Everybody get away from me now.
Brett. That way.
I've been stabbed.
I know, we got it.
Stabbed. We need medics.
We got it.
Boy.
Brett. Damn. Shots fired! Get him out, Lewis! Get him out! Everybody get away from me! Get away from me! That way. I've been stabbed and I got it. God damn it. CPR!
Miss Lee, can you hear me?
Quiet.
5972.
Star. Show me your hands. Where you at? Where you at? Here, Tony. Back bedroom.
Quiet.
Move into the dark room.
I got stabbed! No, get away from me. I got stabbed in the chest. Everybody get away from me now.
Brett. That way.
I've been stabbed.
I got it.
We need medics.
According to the police report, she was pronounced dead at the scene. I'll put the report summary in the description. I read that the County of San Diego later settled a wrongful death lawsuit for $850,000. Let me know what you think in the comments.